Hi, this is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to be talking about my custom Tele bass. Now I've had some questions from people asking me what bass I'm using in some of the videos, and I put this together myself just from different parts, and I've finished all the body as well. So I had no experience at all, just googled it and researched it a bit and came up with some kits and parts, and so I'll be sharing that with you. We'll be talking about buying the Tele bass kit, sanding, staining and finishing the body and neck. We'll be talking about custom pick guards and custom pickups. So first of all, the body. I bought the body from Guitar Build. It's a 51p P-bass body based on a Fender P-bass. They weren't actually called Tele basses until they reissued them. So first of all, they were just called P-basses. But they're obviously different because, well, the mainly you can tell from the pickup. Just got a single pickup here. So I bought the body and the neck, and the body came just sanded down, pre-routed, so it had all the routes for the neck pocket and for the bridge, which you can pick when you order it. So once I had the body, I had to work out a way to finish it. There's lots of different methods, but I really wanted the wood to speak. It's swamp ash, this one, quite a light wood. It's got some really nice grain, so I wanted to bring that out as well. So I found a company called Wudtone. They do a Wudtone finishing kit as one of their products, and it has this is called Azure Lagoon, and it's a sort of greeny blue sort of colour. So in the kit you get a deep colour base, and then you get the finishing top coats. They've got waxes, oils and curing agents in them along with the dyes. So you apply them with a cloth, which is quite easy to do. You just got to remember just to apply a very thin coat. So the secret really is a lot of thin coats. So you apply the coat with a cloth. All the instructions are on the kits. Quite easy to do. Just apply enough so it soaks in, and then you leave the body for. I leave it for 48 hours between each coat. And what I did as well, I put a bit of wood, screwed it into the neck pocket, and then just put a bit of string on top of the wood so I could hang it up and just leave it to cure. So I did 5 or 6 base coats, I think, on this, and then you put the top coats on. You've got a choice of gloss or satin. I went for a satin finish on this. And as I said, it was a really easy process, and I love the way all the grain comes out in the wood. Really pleased with it. So next I had to finish the neck, and again I've got some Wudtone finishing kit for that. I put a sort of vintage dye on it, which gives it a slight sort of yellowy colour, and then just use their matte top coat for that. So it's nice. It's not too kind of slippery, and it feels really nice on your hands. So next, when you've finished with the neck and the body, put those on, and then just added all the hardware, screwed all those on, which was fairly easy to do. And then next for the pickups. So I went for Bareknuckle, great company, really nice sounding pickups. And this one here is a P series 52 Stagger P. So yeah, just one pickup. And I've got someone to put electrics in because I'm not great at that. Okay, so next I had to design a custom pickguard to fit the bass. I didn't want the traditional Tele bass pickguard. If you know what that looks like, it's kind of a long, much longer plate. So I wanted to kind of show off more of the wood. So I thought I'd go for like a guitar Tele scratch plate. So I had to basically draw a template, put that onto card and cut the card, and I sent it off to a company called Jack's Instrument Services, and they were great. You can pick the materials. Initially I went for a blue one, sort of perspex, didn't really like that, and went for this black one here, and you can actually in certain lights see through the black and see a bit of the grain. Yeah, I was really pleased with that. I think it really finishes the instrument off nicely. So all in all, I was really pleased with the bass. What I wanted was I wanted a Tele bass but with a modern look to it. So obviously you needed something custom for that, which just gave me the idea to make it myself, and I'm really pleased. It's a lovely colour. The grain looks really nice on it. It's kind of blue green depending on the light, more blue in sort of natural sunlight. Yeah, so if I play it for a bit, you can hear what it sounds like as well. So it's quite versatile. You've got a lot on the tone knob there, from very bassy to quite a lot of top on it. And to me, it sounds like a P bass, but with a wider range of frequencies, a bit more mids as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, then email me at info@gregspaceshed.com, or leave a comment below. And also, if you want a PDF of all the parts, just follow the link, click on that, and then I'll send you that PDF. It might be useful to you. Yeah, if you like the video, share it with anyone you think might be interested. This is Greg from Greg's Space Shed.